This vlog is about my experience as a slimmer, and I'm going to do the one-to-one diet plan on step 2. On step 2 of the plan, you are allowed 3 products and 1 meal a day. Total, it comes to around 800 calories. So I'm going to just start my day with this protein bar from the one-to-one diet, the birthday cake bar. It's my most favorite one. I'm just going to have it with a cup of coffee and then head out of the door. Today I'm working in this city and the commute usually takes me around 35 to 40 minutes. It was quite crowded today. So I had my first product somewhere around 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's roughly about 10 o'clock now in the office, and I'm going to have the mixed berry porridge. And this is so easy to make. It's ready in like 1 minute. All you need is just some hot water. I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Then I take it out, I stir a little bit, I add a little bit more water. I like it runny, and then pop it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds, and I just let it sit and cool down, and then that gives me a nice warm porridge. I just love this product so much. See how the porridge is a little bit thick? Some people like it like that. I like it a bit runny, and it also gives me a good quantity. So I've added a little bit more water, and I left it back in the microwave for 30 seconds, and I just let it cool down, and this gave me a nice big bowl of porridge and keeps me full for about 3 to 4 hours easily. So first half of the day was quite busy with a few back-to-back meetings till lunchtime, so which is actually a good thing because then it keeps your mind off food. I still had an hour for lunch and I was already craving for food, so I just went out for a walk. And when I got back, my boss gives me this. It's temptation, but no, I said no, thank you. I had some chicken and beans for lunch. After I came back home, I recorded the intro for this video. So for today's dinner, we are going to make a one-to-one diet product, which is a cappuccino shake. And because I had an extra protein after coming back from work, I'm going to only have half of this product. So all in all, the product itself has got 200 calories in it. And so I'm just going to have half of it. I think what I'm going to do is make it a warm drink instead of a cold shake. So I'm just going to have half of this. That's roughly half. You have to be very careful and very quick with this because the steam can build up inside. So there was no need for me to put it in a mason jar, but I like to romanticize my weight loss. I've always done that, make it look nice and fancy. And why not use a little straw in it? And this is what I'm going to sip on, and this is going to be my final meal of the day, and I have stuck to 800 calories. Day 1 was successful with a few lessons learned, but they were not too bad, and I always had a solution for it, and therefore they are not mistakes. Nothing is a mistake, it's just experience. After a week, I'm going to share the results with you. I'm so excited to do this, and because I'm sharing with you, I'm going to be 100% accountable. I will not keep anything from you. You will see the actual experience, the honest mistakes and the lessons learned, so that it helps you when you are on the plan. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you back in the next video. Bye. Good night.